There you go. Recording.
How do you know?
It has a thing on the front. It's 4, 5, 6. That has just like a little screen that tells you how far.
I'm tired. Goodbye, friend. Let's hold hands.
So if you die, if you fall off, right, I can grab onto you. That's safety.
What's this for?
Oh, so another hold space.
Huh?
You can hold here, depending on which one's more comfortable.
Oh, frick, dude. I've been waiting for this for years.
Oh, I'm gonna touch it.
You're short! I've been waiting for this for years, and now I'm kind of regretting it.
No. That's how I felt on my first time too. But then once it started going, it was great.
Are there any jump scares?
No.
Hey, yo. I'm terrified, dude.
The best one. You feel like you're on the edge about to die.
What?
You're on the edge, so it looks like you're just hanging there.
Dude, I'm terrified. Oh, freak, the start is already a jump. The dramatic pause and then this corkscrew. Corkscrew's fun. Whee! Whee! Oh my God! Wait, it's over?
Yeah.
No? Oh yeah, then it does a rise thing. Go back. Wow. I thought it was just doing a dramatic pause.
No.
Why is it going so slow?
Because it's raining. I don't know.
Yeah, but we had to, oh, right. My stomach hurts. Dude, this start was the scariest, definitely.
What?
My feet are shaking.
Oh, yeah.
I got it all, baby! It's beeping red, so.
What if it wasn't recording and we had to go on it again?
That'd be cool. I actually want to go again now.
Yeah.
I'm crying, dude. I'm crying right now.
It's like you have to keep your eyes open so you see everything.
Dude, at the first part I was like, ooh. Like at the first part when you're going, ooh. We should do it again after this one, too?
Yeah, sure we can. That's involved in this.
Hey, me and Zane are gonna do it again after this. What? Hey, Mom, can we go again after this, me and Zane? Can me and Zane go again after this? Yeah, I want to go again. Because I'm like...
And the line's really short.
Okay, baby.